Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. Okay, I want to jump on this because again, it's still early on in April. I think today is the 5th. I'm not sure exactly when you'll see this, but I wanted to get to this before too much of the month went by. This is my April Resin and More box, subscription box. I just want to show off my new scissors. Aren't they gorgeous? These are from Woody's Goodies. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. All right, so we are going to, I guess that is a plug for Woody's Goodies. I'm not sponsored by them. There's no commission involved. I just really like my dragon looking scissors. Okay, so April standard. This is a standard, not a premium. Because I knew I was already going to be way behind, so it just seemed reckless to get a premium box when I was already struggling. So I got the standard. If you want to see what's in a premium box for this month, because it will contain everything that you see in here with this box, the standard, plus a lot of extras, then you can see exactly what the difference is between a regular and a premium box. And I would suggest after you're done watching this, you go watch the unboxing of the premium version on Ray's Turquoise Turtles channel. I will link to that below. So you'll see both that way and you can compare how different they are. Like I say, everything that's in this box will also be in the premium box, but then the premium people get extras. Okay, here we go. Standard box for April. Featured suppliers: Counterculture DIY Resin, cool. Sugar and Spice Glitter Company for the glitter. Vibes, Elsa, Gardenia, and then they list 3 premiums, which will not be in this box. Mica from Pearl Pleasures and Scrubs from whoever this is. Epoxy recommendations. PPE, always wear your PPE. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got a couple spoons. I love these things. Now that I've been putting micas into little dropper bottles and filling with alcohol, I'm using these more and more, so this is always a good thing. And measuring cups, love these, use them all the time. Looks like maybe there's an Easter surprise in here. Oh, there it is! A little Easter egg with a Jolly Rancher and a Sour Punch. Oh boy, Easter candy. Easter was just yesterday, for me anyway, so I'll put my special scratch-off ticket aside. Okay, so looks like Mother's Day is our theme, because it is coming up. So we have a mom, it could be a pendant, I guess, but more likely a keychain fob, or it could even be a little decoration to hang on a tree. That's cute. I love getting more of these, the silicone measuring cups. Those are great. Here's our CC DIY resin. This is the Artist Resin Medium Viscosity. Excellent. Micas. And interference micas. We have a turquoise and a mauve. Now, these don't show up unless they're on a black background. I'm going to keep some black paper in here so I can swatch for you guys while we're doing this. Let's see what this is. Okay. So this is our scrub, and I still don't know who it's from because there's a logo with a G in it, but I don't see the name on here anywhere. Scented Strawberry Daiquiri. Stirring sticks, silicone stir sticks, those are great. I still want to swatch these for you. Here are glitters from Sugar and Spice Glitter Co. There's Elsa, Vibes, and Gardenia. Beautiful glitters. Especially like this one, but that's how I roll. I'm an aqua gal. And okay, so for the mom keychain fob, we get hardware as well. That's very nice. So there's almost a complete kit right there. The resin and a glitter or a mica, and you could make a mom keychain right there. All right, and oh look, a rose. Isn't that beautiful? This is a mold I have not seen before. That is very, very pretty. Definitely going to give this a try. All right, put everything out here. We have our rose. We have our mom. Remember, the premium box gets more. More resin, more molds, more glitters. I don't know if they get more micas or not. I'm not sure about that. Again, go watch the other video and you'll find out. Okay, our glitters. Scratch off ticket. That's usually credits to put on your account towards a future purchase, so that's always nice. Get our various measuring cups and our resin. And some sweets. And scrub, strawberry daiquiri scrub. All right, hot diggity. Hope everything's visible. Probably not. I'll just scooch it all up here. There we go. We will use, when in doubt, use what you have. Clearly I need to have a black piece of cardboard or something on hand to do this with. I do not. So we'll use what we have. Necessity and all that. Okay. Okay, so this is a mica interference in turquoise. Not sure how well that comes through. It's not looking particularly turquoisey on there, but you can see some of it. All right. Refocus. And then we'll try the mauve. Oh yeah, that one comes through loud and clear. Okay. Mauve and turquoise, interference micas. Alrighty. So that about does it for the unboxing, and then I will come up with something to do that includes at least some of the stuff, if not everything, and we'll come back for that in a different video, so stay tuned for that. I will label it accordingly and hopefully get it up sometime in April. And thank you very much. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.